People them no want a rice and peas and a curd goat and a chicken foot soup. They don't because they don't want that.
Hi guys. Alright.
Oh, wait, you come up with
No water.
I don't know when people take it and that's down and shoot.
Hi guys. Welcome back to another video. We're trying to show you a Christmas tree because at Christmas time, so that's
Yeah, try to tell the people about try to show them like we frightened, we are idiots.
Anyway,
hi guys, we are trying to show them a Christmas tree. We are
no,
idiots.
at Christmas time we don't want to sit down around the table. We are trying
Yeah,
to
we don't have to tell them so we just change the location.
We're trying to sit down with tree
we're
there.
frightened.
We're trying to
like we are frightened Friday never.
We're trying to sit down with tree there, as you can.
Alright, tell them.
Anyways, so today since it's the holiday season, we are trying to, you know, have topics and stuff like that that are kind of like based around it, you know. So the first thing that we're going to talk about specifically is the time management around holiday season, especially when you have like guests
coming over. Then we have time
over.
management around holiday season.
No, not time. No. What's
a blockout season.
Not time management around holiday season, but time management like around holiday dinners. You see when you invite.
Oh, like holiday functions.
Yes. So like we're going to talk about like holiday functions itself. So like when you keep like Christmas dinner and you like invite people over and stuff
even
like that.
Even workplace them to them all boring and disgusting.
Them better neither. So like when you have functions, whether it's work, family, friends, whatever it be, the time when you tell people, if I know the truth,
What can I ask you a question? Anybody invite me to them for them dinner?
We know nobody invite me for nobody dinner.
Shouldn't even be having this topic when nobody them like invite you, know?
But the thing is, I've been to a few stuff before where they tell you, okay, you know, we're starting at this time and we're starting at that time, and when you reach there 9 hours later, you're not getting.
If I am hosting a dinner, I'm not sure if me want give people a timeline for dinner, like up from, let's say about ish, like what time is dinner?
You see when you tell people, oh, what time is dinner?
What time are we eating?
What time are we eating? The best that you can tell someone is, okay, you can come about or around.
Yeah, around,
that means
about, not
you can come before or you can come after. It no need to be like a specific time, because
so if you even come after and dinner done, me not have no problem because food left there.
Exactly. So if you come and dinner done, food that they can dish out when you're ready.
Yeah.
But when you tell people a specific time and
everybody kill up themselves.
Everybody rush in and come in and everything like that, and then come in and look, my table's so empty.
Look here, I remember some people find it easy, so them go eat out, then take wash out, them not eat.
Exactly. So some people when someone says, oh, me invite you to come on my little Christmas dinner, me keep on like a Christmas dinner, me invite you to come. We are gonna start 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock food I go dish. Alright, 3 o'clock food I go dish.
Alright.
Some people not eat no breakfast, probably just drink a cup of tea and some water. You know, they might leave space in their belly to eat the Christmas dinner, of course. 3 o'clock when you reach out people, then
3 o'clock,
not the table.
I understand, so this Christmas dinner thing is very hectic, you know. So as you say, time management plays a big role right in there. But me now, as me told me, I have the experience in the catering world. My thing now is to the caterers then. Get on a thing together, man. Get on a thing together, because sometimes the caterers them not easy neither, you know. Because sometimes people invite people over for dinner and they are not literally cooking.
Yes, they have caterers. They have people catering, and you're waiting for the catering to come.
Caterers, get on a thing together, please. Because all of the office party them are sometimes.
Yes, a lot of the office parties
them keep Christmas Eve, you know.
Exactly.
And all
they keep like a Christmas party and them look something there.
And like a Christmas get together. And,
like you know, Christmas get together for the workers them in our workplace.
Christmas Eve we are going early, 1, 2 o'clock.
Exactly. So then we keep a little something.
When 4 o'clock the food not reach yet, you know. Christmas
Eve. They probably tell you, alright,
today
a half day.
Another better.
Christmas Eve today a half day. Work done 1 o'clock.
Yeah.
And we are gonna have one little function phone. You know, around 2:30 them time there. So no, just stick around, forget your little, you know, your little.
And your other caterers,
and caterers supposed to come. You sit down there 2:30, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock come, no food, no.
Because sometimes when they catering they come, they're not even
taste good. Exactly.
They never need working for waiters. So I'm saying just like, I know all of you big up on yourself, all the holiday season, but I get on a catering, do good. Try to make sure it's gonna be on time, do the food good.
Exactly.
All the people when I get
what I also think,
make sure food is properly done. There are certain things one can do ahead of time and pre-package have
You know,
them
I'm
in a
think with the
fridge.
caterers them what you're supposed to do. You see with the caterers them, tell them an earlier time. So that even if they come there, if them come there exactly on that 2:30, like at 2:30 to start, and they come on that 2:30, fine. You can take your time and want the food.
Normally people tell them, no, you have to tell them, say, 11:30, 12.
11:30, 12. When I all and 2:30, and maybe they come a little 1 o'clock or so you wouldn't have any issue.
This time thing with food.
You know, so it stems from just this time thing in Jamaica in general, where when people tell you a time, not really start
when I was in catering, let me tell you something. You see, any day me late, my customer them, some of them must watch and crucify me, you know, because me always
you're always early.
Yeah, I swear, I'm so early when I tell you, Jordan, mommy, no man, you can't send the food coming in the office so early. No, and that's
the thing it's best you're early than you're late, because when you're late, people hungry, they just take them up.
When 11 o'clock,
you
lunch run everything.
Run there already.
Yeah, Gizzardas say, mommy, no, we're not used to this. The people are not used to this, mommy.
All of them do keep it down, put it down in a little microwave and want me to
now, man, them have them lunch room, everything pack up in there so till.
Exactly.
And then, you know, you have some people from they know, say lunch room, they don't then start dragging foot on the work. They want to go have them lunch.
They want to go eat for them lunch or whatever be the case.
It's better to be early
than to be late. Because, exactly.
And then again, too, for the people who cook at home.
Because it's best, you know, alright, you tell somebody, say, alright, dinner I keep 3 o'clock. You tell them 3 o'clock, you know. Let's say you finish 2 o'clock. And them still I get ready for come. All you can do send them a little message. Hey, dinner ready, you can come when you're ready.
Colby, you know, see me, you don't dinner or something already. Look here, hello. These things comes. Remember, we were talking about that.
Remember, say me and you, you know, and
we weren't talking, and me and you never do it on this show here. I was talking about it on a live. Listen to me. When you know where I do, you're not gonna really get caught up so much. You have refrigerator. There are certain things you do them. You can do them from days before,
exactly.
And they will still be fresh.
Yeah.
Put them in the freezer. Let them freeze. Know when to take them out. Let them thaw in overnight, the refrigerator.
Exactly.
Sometimes I can't overnight. Depends on where them there the time cold and all them are foreign now. I like how New York and them place cold now. You have to do them, so you have to take them out like 2-3 days before
ahead when the time cold.
Yeah.
True.
And it's thawed in there. So when everybody come, when you know everybody else them are prepare come out, you just push it in the oven.
Exactly.
You understand?
And the thing is, nowadays there are a lot of containers and things like that you can buy. You can make your things them so many different ways.
So many, not to be like the first time.
It not to be like the first time, and you don't have to wait till the first pan the day you do the macaroni and cheese.
Oh jeez,
no,
those
you
things
can literally do your macaroni and cheese. You don't have to bake it yet. You not have to bake it yet.
Well,
just make
they can bake it cold, cool
and put
it down.
It in and
they can
slice it and put it in the oven. Or if you want it freshly baked, you can just do your sauce and your pasta for the night before, put on and pop it in the oven the next morning.
We have done lasagna. You do them, alright, so you don't want to bake it then. You fix it and
you fix it up, and then the next morning you put it in the oven.
And you just shove it in the oven. And you have to have one macaroni in the oven. You can have the macaroni. You can have one chicken in there.
You can have a chicken, you can have a lasagna. All you do is set different timers for what is what.
But
exactly.
Basically, the lasagna and the macaroni done at the same time, so that you know them like.
And if you need to turn up a little more, eat panetic chicken, you turn it up.
When you take them out, you put the chicken them and chicken get feet half cooked first,
and then you put in other one them after. You don't have to do everything one.
That time management,
you know, outside of the time management team, there are some people when you invite them over, them come how much unscrupulous hours after, and them are carry food for you. Keep it. Don't bother coming.
What do you mean carry food?
They're carrying food for the event as well. So let's say for instance you are doing a Christmas dinner where this person carries the not the ham. This person carries the macaroni. So the person can carry the ham to Kobe? Well, yes. True.
Oh, you mean that happens?
Yes.
Like when them rich people them gone back and they had already, and you just you never did hear.
Because some people people are coming for let's say for instance some people are carrying dessert. So let's say somebody are carrying one fruit cake and somebody are carrying one next cake and whatever. Food done,
them they could have dropped them off from the day before.
Dinner done, eat food done, and you are coming 6 o'clock in the night.
Listen.
Hi everybody, see the cake here. Keep it.
Some people, let me tell you, some people don't have know not when they come. Because you as a person
about
time in our well enough to come. I don't think everybody eat late at night.
Exactly, it's not everybody eat late at night, especially when at Christmas time. People want
with them heavy food,
with their heavy food, you know, one day before go sit down and relax and watch like a movie after and make.
But I think though, for you know, sometimes it never makes sense you carry the crowd coming at your house to come help you too. Because sometimes when they come at your house, you have more work for
not necessarily for the helping, because in some cases not everybody can really help everybody in the kitchen. You know, sometimes some people say, oh, many hands make light work.
No, many hands make disastrous work sometimes.
Not every hand makes light work.
Disastrous
me
work.
And mom can work in the kitchen because me and her have a kind of connection where we understand
you
each
have
other.
to have a connection.
Because we work in the kitchen with the catering and all them stuff there, so we understand each other.
Are making food. And just make it fast. So if it not come out good, we as a family
we can't eat it and move
Look
past
here,
it. It's
you
not
must
that you're making
have a
it for
mutual
other
understanding. You see the video we watched yesterday? Hello. What would that go on again? Turkey? Are the turkey? No?
I don't remember.
Oxtail. Oxtail, white rice, and just some raw vegetable.
And it takes and
I'm saying no.
No
man. Just some oxtail, white rice, and just some cabbage and liquor, not even cabbage, lettuce and tomato and liquor, onion and sitting. Hello girl, I'm hungry. I am hungry. Another thing again. What makes someone when people hungry?
No, my
body enough to put them hunger in on the hands because
exactly
you know
when people hungry. You know, like a snack in our face, we can't. You know, so no snack.
No, no snack me at all. Let me tell you. You can come out hungry and me get something fast and
me get something fast and give you
properly,
and your food done exactly.
And then a hurry come
and it's not a hurry come up.
Why is it that some people who don't come in? If you are wait upon them for them, I say no. Then the little rice and I look about it. So what are you doing?
Imagine you could lick dinner and say, you know, some feel hungry, my stomach a drop out. Alright, I have one little rice and one little sardine in there. I'm going to open it up for you and make you eat it.
Me not talk about rice and open it up. Somebody can't say they're hungry and me going to go cook rice and peas and chicken and it's cooked properly and you get your food.
Yeah, no,
you know some people.
Well, let's say you cook one little rice and one little sardine for somebody. Let's say you cook one little rice and one little sardine for somebody. You want one little rice and little sardine for somebody while the actual dinner are cooking there. So you take one.
No, that works because some of them can't focus on the sardine and then the rice and the sardine and did that at the same time. The video we did I watch yesterday, honestly, me I tell you the truth, you know, me feel like me they gonna drop down, but they never cook the food for me because me really hungry too. Me I said, no man. And that's how we cook good day. That's how we take the food was okay enough. The food when it was finished, it was fine, properly presented. But
it took really, really long.
The time.
You understand? Take that long for
no, under the oxtail, but the oxtail brown up and well everything and put in at the oven and in that deal with the thing. You understand? So me I try to look around at what cause if it takes so long.
What made it took so long?
I never see what cause if it takes so long. 3 hours in the oven, yeah, I know 3 hours and we did a drink like something and we did have like a thing and so yeah good, but when you show me some of the oxtail ready and everything and the time frame around the rice and the little raw vegetable. I don't know, it look like it take more than oxtail.
You see, the thing is, in our kitchen, if me and mommy say we are going to cook and we are going to do it for a certain time, you're getting it for the certain
girl,
time.
I have to do
Don't
it.
worry,
I used to do it alone. When I was catering Cobb for the office to send you and your brother go to school, and me alone I do it. Cause look here, me can't call your father.
Yeah, exactly.
Dad only pack. That just confused me.
That's why I said not every hand makes like work sometimes.
Remember at one time, you know, I can remember one time when me and my sister-in-law do it and it was a Friday and Gizzardas never go to school and her son was there and all of them. I'm saying, look here, and I saw me work, you know. All me ask them if you do, you know, if you just give me, not give me nothing. All me ask them if you do is just for pack.
Just a pack.
As me dish, take from me and pack.
Exactly.
Hello?
If it's heavier, put it at the bottom. If it's lighter, put it at the top.
I say all me asking for the when me dish the food in
just the take it from me.
And me fix it. Just take it
from me. Lock it up.
Look here. You see when me give them one for cover up and put away. Me dish all eat long time of it, they ride walk.
And then they open up for them for
no ramp with me upon them something. When me are working, when me come to them.
No, because the thing is, you're cooking already. You have to do prep
and I'm
from the night
tired.
before, and you're
I'm scared. The part of cooking, the part of catering or cooking, I am really scared. I can do it, but I'm scared, very scared of it, because
what, the dishing?
Yeah, why? Not really. I'm not scared.
It's just that it's very tedious, because you don't want to put the wrong thing in.
And when you have a list of things and people ask for this, and the moment you make something wrong, there goes a problem when it reaches. And then sometimes you have some picky people, and when you have the list in front of you, then get to your nerves. Then get to your brain, But what I'm saying is, when I am dishing, I like somebody that can take from me and moves efficient and put it. I don't want you hold me up, because when I move like that. You understand? So it makes me scared, because to be honest, it better if you say just dish out the whole of the food and put them on a big platter. I don't want to be waiting.
Because the thing is, when you start to lose your momentum and your adrenaline, you start to get really slow.
Because remember, you've been cooking from hours now. You've been cooking, and everything is winding down.
Everything is winding down,
and your body starts getting tired. Yes, that's what I'm saying. The dishing, and you're getting tired.
Exactly.
You understand?
And you're using that last bit of energy for
just to
push
out
everything. Exactly.
And then there's nobody there. Oh, that's why you say many hands never always make light work.
And every hand
and you stand up in front of them and have the whole of them in front of you, and you like Jeffrey's face the cat, and I push out the whole of the in the kitchen. I'm always mad.
Maybe sometimes that's the same thing too with these functions, when they keep these things, when they have many. Maybe that's why they do buffets that sometimes.
It's better.
You dish out where you want, because when you have 3-4 people, when you have alright, one person a dish for ham, next person somebody a dish rice and peas, next person a dish for
even at home too.
Sometimes
when them have like
some people slow up
Christmas
some
dinner and something.
sometimes.
Look here. Even sometimes when them put it out for buffet, some people come want people for dish food, give them. Some want to stay
if it's a buffet, dish it yourself.
Oh, them
you hear something say buffet, dish it yourself.
Bring my one cup, they bring for me one cup. No, you
got dish it.
Get up. You got to dish it out yourself.
Exactly.
So
I've been to functions and things like that where when you have different people, alright, one person have the plate rice and peas, send it off to the next person. When the people then done serve it, I'm kind of something person I do the rice and peas, I dig up the pot and try to find some rice and peas outside.
Yeah, because some people take too much.
Exactly.
Normally
so they're
at
not
a buffet,
in proportion.
At a buffet, that's why some people not bother with the buffet, because some people them don't know their limit. Them just take, some of them can't even eat it, and then take off the amount where them can eat. If anything, eat a small amount, and if there are seconds, you go back for seconds. Because that's what buffet is all about. You're not supposed to do this so we can go for second, third, fourth, and 100. But it is the holiday season, and I hope you are too. Happy cooking, happy eating. Do everything nice. Bake up on a black cake, make up on a sorrel, make up on a rum punch. Christmas come only once a year. Yeah, they rainwash out the sorrel them, but you can't go buy the dried sorrel. Go to the Jamaican cooking journey, buy a dry sorrel, make your nice good up sorrel. If you never remember if you make it from 3 weeks ago, you can start in the morning, and by the time then come sorrel. I showed you. So this is just we're talking about. Cole said she wanted was to do a little thing on this, because she realized when it comes to the holiday season, some people don't have a clue. When them invite people over,
all of the craziness that's happening around, people lose track of the timing and how you're actually doing something.
Shop 1 or 2 days. Make your list. Shop where you advise them. Tell me. Make your list.
Oh, make your list.
Make your menu.
Make your menu, make a list of things that you need to buy, and then after you do your shopping and everything like that, the day or the days before that you're going to cook, make another list of the things that you need to get done, and as you get them done,
work with a list.
As you
get them done, you tick them off.
And don't start one day before.
And me I tell you, there are dishes before. There are dishes to make it easier than your worst if you want, because sometimes them know so them are coming because them know you have a big house. Them the people in your house now help you. Them a come dressed like a Miss Martha Big Rooster.
Dressed to impress, and I know say you alone.
As you see people come here, girl, come on, help me, girl, never come up, come because when me invite you at my house, me never tell you to come help me. So you know
the invitation never say.
Yes, so that's why I keep saying
help to the show.
These are modern times Colby, and they are refrigerator, plastic wrap, cling wrap. It can keep food fresh. Do some of them ahead of time. Don't do the salads though. Don't do the salad like.
No, the salad them have to do fresh.
The salad them you wake up early.
You do them and put it in the fridge.
A vegetable salad.
And don't put the
dressing on. Don't put the dressing on to make it fresh. Just have the dressing to the side. Or when you're near for serve, depending on the type of salad.
If the people them want the dressing,
yeah, because some people might not want the dressing.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, man. So
it's just the
juice, and then something is supposed to do
make the juice before I put in the fridge and I
when you don't there sweet juice on the day, what do you
can probably put in the freezer. You can mix it up in your big buckle and put them in the freezer.
Put them in the freezer. Take them out 2-3 days before.
And make them top and
at the time cool, and the ice is gonna take. It's gonna take forever to thaw.
And don't drink it out before time either.
Hello, tell the husband them that and the boys them that not to drink it up. Every pass the man them pass them drink it.
That then I take every minute. It's like the cake. Do you take a slice and take every 5 seconds?
And the cake, yeah, you know, say you do your cake for a long time. For how much can do your cake, your black cake, your fruit cake. I don't like to say this word black cake, but let's denounce that. Your fruit cake. Do your fruit cake or your Christmas cake from how much months before? Put it on the table and have it
months
there.
Before, that is not serious, you know, because people are eat it from months before.
So you have your house of it. Why some people can't just see the cake and don't eat it?
A cake, it's tempting to some people.
No, but I mean,
unless you don't eat cake, that's different. But
somebody, so you eat cake, you take, well, me have one customer tell me say, our husband take knife and fork to eat my cake then, or him love cake.
Maybe that's just his thing.
Because when the longer the cake takes, you know, the more yummy this Christmas cake gets, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, do enough.
But the thing is, remember, say every time, alright, let's say you do it 2 months ahead. Let's say you've done it in October, December, come up. Every time you walk. But
why you do enough? You do a lot. You must do a lot.
Cake and you smell that rum and that wine
no,
at the time.
do a lot. This set is for the dinner, family dinner, whatever. And the rest of them, you know, you just can't resist it. Have them line up on the table
and you just eat them until
so if a 1 dozen for share to your family, big do 2 dozen. So by the time the Christmas will come, or dinner, Thanksgiving, or when at dinner time, you will have enough.
You will have enough for them. You just take it.
Your dozen you take
that. Yeah, exactly. So, and another thing too,
sorry, they can make the sorry ahead of time.
Another thing too, and this is the last thing. Also, keep an open mind to different things that you can put on your dinner table. It not always have to be the same every single
over
year.
And over.
Don't worry,
again.
Like our traditional things are not going away. They're not going anywhere. But you can open your mind to new things to put on your table. Yeah, and always
we know that over and over again, God is faithful. But me not think you should not do the same food them every year come. Every year just say no come in again, nobody invite me dinner. We don't have anybody inviting us to any dinner. We're not really important like that, you know. So I'm saying, but if I'm coming to Christmas dinner, I'm gonna think me that's a work list for God. Everybody every year my gonna people Christmas dinner and me can't host one. Not true. That a work listness. So let us go back. Let us talk about don't do the same thing over and over. Then we talk about the people them know every year they wash out them belly. We have to touch upon them before we done this video.
Yes.
Okay, so just have different look here. Last year you met the roast chicken. Yeah. This year nobody go roast. See if you can jerk it, all a chicken. Do something that is different. Make different. Not just salad alone. Make different little juices, little fruit punch.
And the salad alone we drink. Salad
alone, everybody wants salad. Have lots of water. Remember to have lots of water there too.
And don't worry, and also do different cakes or different little pastries.
Yeah, don't just dump on the whole fruit cake. And everybody eat the fruit cake. Please. Do carrot cake. You have carrot cake with cream cheese icing. You have cream cheese. You can do some little cupcake. No, but I mean the thing just look boring. The thing just look. I remember they're bringing kids and little picking a warm black cake for eating.
Exactly, and every picnic one fruit cake with a strong grandma one day. Some kids just want a little cookie or a little carrot cake.
They don't like that. I don't know of little kids that eat those. When we are picnic, we eat it, do I know?
Exactly.
That's
how we grow.
We did tough.
Yeah, that's how we just
country picnic we tough. Not to it. But notice now, small kids, they don't want it. They want to have a little cookie.
They want to nice little decorative cookies. I think you guys, that's one thing I would emphasize. Hopefully, like most Jamaican people to start doing more. I would emphasize for maybe more to like maybe have it in our Jamaican culture a little bit more, but maybe true it's not a thing out here. But you see,
because let me tell you.
Well, you see when you make those nice little Christmas cookie them when you decorate them, you can put them in the fridge and store them, and when people come you put them when people come in, hi, would you like a cookie? You know what
people will take it,
catch up a little worm in the meantime.
And remember appetizers, please remember appetizers when you have the dinner.
Appetizer God one in dinner can't even done it.
Yeah, but when time it didn't you come and appetizer then but we must find them.
Let's not look a finger sandwich.
Before them have to call 911. You can some appetizer, some little fruits, some little squares. I know nothing big for full up your belly.
Yeah, just a little finger. Some little toothpick.
Yeah, I may ask in Jamaica. I don't see the appetizer and put out. No, please don't go. They're gonna name up the whole idea.
Don't take 5.
Everybody.
It's for everybody.
It's like you know, for one
style already. Or 2, and that is really about it. So
you know, and as you say, right, I like the way you're bringing about the cookies because small children are coming, and I often watch stuff where there are functions and small children are there and they're struggling to get something to eat because like everything with upon the table, you know, them no want it. You know, them enough for them little world where them want a little mac and cheese and one little piece of fried chicken.
Exactly.
And you know they are picky. You have picky kids coming.
You have picky kids.
And you have some very picky people too.
Every child loves a little sweet something, love a little sweet, love a little nice little cookie. Them love see little decorative cookie around Christmas time.
Them no want a rice and peas and a curd and a chicken foot soup. They don't because they don't want that.
So wait, you talk about appetizer and finger food. No chicken foot soup or appetizer?
No, only we are cook chicken food soup.
You would be surprised. People use just the soup as appetizer. If not, maybe not chicken food soup. Maybe not chicken food soup, but then probably like the manish water and them something there.
My girl,
what's it?
My girl, and then we're not talking about it specifically from the Jamaican point of view. We are trying to get the thing, and we're talking about changing up, and we want simplified version of this Christmas. That Jamaican Christmas dinner, American Christmas dinner, it's terrible to them.
That's terrible too.
Yeah.
Let me tell you something. If every single item on your menu is a hard dish to do, you will take forever.
And you're gonna be drained.
You will take forever to get done. Me and mommy last year, what we decided to do, we kept some of the original things and we changed out a lot of some of them.
And we weren't so
extra
drained.
Rice and peas and all of them something. They will cut
and
out
after
some
dinner,
of them.
we never saw every kind of rice and red peas. They have you the coconut milk, you know. Hello, go get black beans, go get dry.
Wash rice. And I drain off how much pound of rice and all kind of stuff. We already have none.
We not one thing, we have to buy the bad rice.
Exactly. And how much starch they pan it, and 7 times you wash your rice. By the time the rice done, nothing left back in.
Then we want it easy.
So
I'm not making dinner this year though.
Yeah, no, me and mom we're not doing.
So we have no Christmas dinner to show.
We don't have Christmas dinner,
and a cooking journey.
Unless somebody give one little bit of Christmas dinner board.
Nobody not give me no. Cause right now, me cannot think twice about people.
But we're not.
Nobody not give me no.
We're not doing it this year.
Girl, it's very sad. I've never had dinner. Anybody ever care Christmas dinner for we? No. Them always feel like say we have restaurant here, so them always come with them got long. Oh, last year me did go somewhere for dinner. But look here, me tell you something.
Your brother's not out yet, so you know, unfortunately.
Yeah, anybody come really me don't know. Must be true from ever since me not cooking in time. Anybody come. Yeah, girl, we are talk about say me come for food.
Exactly.
You know. So look here, me telling you the truth.
But we're not doing it this year. Most
if
people
you not invite
one.
me a Christmas dinner,
me and mommy tired.
Have some class, but me I beg on please and thanks. Don't acknowledge up the dinner and call me. Me not coming. And if I do come and I say acknowledge it up, I'll walk away.
And if I
am inviting you for dinner, no matter all the food you know, if I eat a chicken back and rice, may I make it look good.
Exactly.
You do and nature of the food and invite Debbie down a yard. Please make the food
and
nice.
And if it's the case, you're doing it buffet style, get to the nice.
And hello, I don't want a chicken foot soup. I don't want a chicken foot soup.
Maybe you might not want
chicken
foot soup, but you want chicken foot soup. Not necessarily me, but maybe people want a little chicken foot soup. What's the guess? If you're waiting 9 hours for dinner, you know what? You don't have no class.
They don't have nothing about you.
Not necessarily.
When you go to restaurants, you get chicken foot soup. When you go to a class restaurant, yeah, your friend them.
You get soup.
Fall foot soup. That's what I'm asking.
No, you get like maybe pepper pot soup or
so why you want me if you go eat chicken foot soup?
No, me not say chicken.
And raw, no,
not necessarily chicken foot. Some people would do a little, maybe, I don't know, goated fish tea, them little stuff there.
My girl, fish feet hard for me. Here, fish tea, but not the type of a crepe out now.
Well, yeah, but maybe some
and goated soup. Yeah. If we have curry.
You're more than likely you gotta have curry, so maybe that's why they would do that. Cause the thing now,
have we ever made?
The thing is,
have we ever made Christmas dinner and goated soup? We
never made dinner. Soup. We never made soup because first of all, nobody not starve before they get the food. So that's not normally going to happen. But remember, when they got functions, they do these things.
Kobe, when I go anywhere, I've been to weddings and other places. I've never gone there and drink no soup. Soup is there and I've never
No, soup is there but you don't drink it. Exactly, you see what I'm saying? Soup is there but she just doesn't drink it. She'll just wait until
we put the set together, I'm gonna close and make a nice clutch and I'm sitting there. I'm not supposed to and I drink the soup. No, you don't want no soup.
They dress down to the nines. So Mr. Somebody I see I drink out of one cup. Why you drinking? Oh, it's not like a chicken foot soup.
No, me don't eat that. No, me don't eat that.
Anyways, and what was the other thing? The people them were along them going every single year for cook for them.
Me aside I know, you know. Good God, man. How much their kids know yaga over and punsi?
But maybe they can't cook themselves.
Could be. Me not really want you. Me not want you. No, that is beside the point. That is beside. Don't use that as an excuse. That is not an. Get some people. How much years now you been a go and punsi till you a brag and a boast? Oh, me not cook Christmas dinner every year. Me da and punsi. No. This a year and punsi.
And what's crazy is them saying, me not cook no Christmas dinner because such and such got invite me for dinner. No dinner never cook for them, so we are going to stuff.
And look here, and Punsi not there. And Punsi been doing this for years.
Exactly. Decades. Let's say she doesn't want to cook one of these years.
Or she pass, or she
or something happens. Exactly.
And you never try to say, oh boy. Say, look here, Kobe, you know, say, every year we got and Punsi go eat lad man, it look bad. Make we owe something somewhere. Stop it.
I carry little food for yourself. If you don't want to host something fine, but cook little food.
I don't carry little food because she look and Punsi love the family thing. So if
that's the case, then you keep your little posting here.
But you know, even though she don't want to in her house, you know. So look here, we are gonna keep it somewhere else so she can come and relax and get food.
Then no more money that we go rent venue.
No, not venue. Another person, you know, probably everybody now have house.
Oh, you mean go somebody else? Just carry food over there.
Yeah, okay, go there, go cook and carry food and say, okay, we don't want you to cook this year. We are gonna do it this year. We see her do it now from we that we need. And still strong and no say she going down. Oh no, good God, man, don't tap it, man. And all I know, look here. Make the people ain't going to eat them dinner in peace and come start. But carry dinner from back your ear.
Many people and you there wait so much hours at the night. Your tripod bus out away for the food.
I graduated from primary school. That time you was very small. And my pass and tell my sister, I said, so where I go? I said, I go to high school. I said, Lord Jesus, that isn't in a plate because that was another tour because make that stay off camera. So the food, the dinner, it was very late. The people didn't eat late. The children didn't eat late. So here she don't up on the hill. Care food for me say yes. Me say true, them don't know them didn't do. Same thing we come back to the time management. Cause the amount of people where they did it and me I forgot they got clear off on something. When me look, me go they got, you know, the first time big eye pudding pan, you know, why, you know, and it wide. And when me look, me go they go see me say, yo, I market this year. I put one style of cabbage and two vegetable, you know. And so me say, alright, you know, clear with the little, I'm gonna start send it up, I'm gonna get that out of the way. You know, so all of them something that the whole come me there for help ma. But the kind of half tired too, you know, me have to walk all this long way, go back home country, you know. And me say, when me a come in at night, me see me ear like caca crow for daylight. And the woman sit down, but I'd rather wait for the food. See, we what with the carrots still there.
Yeah.
Yeah. So me I said, no, don't bother with it. Cause look here. When you tell the people them say, no, I go for it, and they ask if it's beg for some food, you know. And then so long I wait pan it hot to, you know. And when you look, I you know, cook, and you see them a come. So look here. Wanna bear that in mind, say look here. If it come, it come. If it not come, try go steam like a mackerel.
Steam like a rice with a little mackerel. Or better yet, just have something prepared just in case. You
see that weird pan food.
You see that weird pan food something there and a not nice.
It's not good. It's not
and
good.
And a not nice.
So, we'll be coming with other little topics, but we choose the time right now for this. It is holiday season.
Yeah,
Christmas comes only once a year, and I celebrate Christmas. Come on, girl. Well, I used to love Christmas. Nowadays, Christmas, so it's alright for me. If I feel like I want to change my current day, I change. If I feel like I don't want to change until January, or I'm not hurry, no, look here. We don't have nobody to report. So all of you who are making your dinner provisions for family, you're changing curtains, you're changing out your bedroom set, you're decorating. Hello, we at Jamaica can't do dancing thing there, you know. We get money from if we go decorate, so. You mad? Decorate for fall and come back and decorate for Christmas and no.
We don't have
we ain't got it.
Like that.
We and normally Jamaicans don't do that. We just like when we're near for because we're not ready for change the Christmas curtain. Not me coming and changing none.
Not change again until like spring or something.
No, and people who are gonna change like curtain for Christmas, them not ready yet to the hour. Just early days yet. You know. But you have a blessed holiday. Yeah, coming out talk about like them and sitting again. We are coming at a different topics. We are coming at some hardcore topic too. And you know, just make it be the season. You know, reach out to somebody, help somebody genuinely from your heart. And if you never put up the camera in their face, don't. But just help somebody because it's all about God sees and knows your heart. Me and Kobe no want to see say they go give somebody sitting. I don't know what else want to see. It's not about me and it's about you and just move to it. And look here, just do it, cook nice, eat nice, and just nobody overeat on yourself. Nobody when Christmas don't know if you gone at that, this, that. Have like a busy in the house, like a greater busy. In a little on can draw some and drink and just be nice, have a good time. And all I know, when the Christmas dinner time, come and get back together and everything nice. Go out on a foolishness throughout the year and malice each other out the year. And then when Christmas dinner again, come back and talk back again. Not happy. Stop it. Just make the thing run good and just make we live happy and eat happy. You can't care over something. Don't have your house full. And because you know your sister or your sister-in-law is making dinner. I want you all, some of the Jamaicans, take pattern from some of them American people there. Them always do potluck, you know. That's how I go. Where this is somebody carrying this.
Everybody carry a little something.
You must learn. Jamaicans me I talk to you. You feel learn for when you know I go a family gatherings, carry something. Bring something and make it harder because times are very hard. Food is expensive. Amen. Don't come with your long naked and bring something. Okay? So that's about it from us. Yeah.
Anyways, thank you guys for watching.
The phone can't touch up in them. That's right.
Remember to comment below and give us your opinions and share your thoughts and stuff like that. And what will you be putting on your Christmas dinner?
I was gonna ask them too. What will you be putting?
Exactly.
Have you already made your Christmas menu?
You buy anything as yet?
Yeah.
You need for all your cards.
Is there anything that you'd like to see on your Christmas table that you kind of you don't like make it, but you can't make it? If you don't like, if you request it, I'm gonna make it on a Jamaican cooking journey, but not what? Not what?
Well,
not to request what?
Oh, fruit cake.
Don't request the black cake.
Oh, come here. When you
understand? Come here, tell you the truth, you know. The amount of black cake I see on YouTube, everybody's supposed to can make them cake. You don't need to request that. You must try, man. Rub up your one and look at dumpling. Do your thing. Cause look here. All when you not taste good, people love it, you know.
Yeah.
So, as Kamar girl say, if you want to leave below, you have any idea, you make your menu yet, your man, your friend.
Share it with us and tell us. And
yeah, we want to hear. We'd love to hear. We not have no. Not that we won't have dinner, we have dinner, but we have decided
we're just not doing that big everlasting thing. Me and not have the time. We are tired people, unfortunately.
I'm not feeling it right about now. For the new year, I'm not sure if I feel it either, God's willing. I'm just taking a break from it. I just want to take a break from it, like Christmas Day, God's willing. Anyway, if it find me, whether here, there, anywhere. But I like to eat on my bed, just relax and just still read and talk to my God. I don't want to be in the kitchen. Where will you be? Thanks for watching.
Bye.